Hey guys, I've got an assortment box here that I'm going to do an unboxing of, or, just looking at, I guess. I'm going to look at it, open it up. It's called the Jersey Shore. This was from Sky King. Phantom bought Sky King out. So I always thought that their assortments looked pretty cool. This one wasn't super expensive. Some people may say it still wasn't worth it, but I don't know. I just thought I'd check them out at least. I paid around $45 for this. A little bit of everything. I mean, it's a smaller assortment. I get it. We have some ground bloom flowers here by World Class. A two-stage, two-color spaceship. Got some bottle rockets. Got a sunflower helicopter there. Cutting edge whistling. Moon travelers with report. Awesome. Here's some different ones. What are these? On out. Boomer brand. I think this said Boomer. Yep, Boomer. Whistling Moon Travelers. Boomer clustering bees. We have some sparklers. What is this? This is cool. The Hornet's Nest. The Hornet's Nest must be a fountain. Huh. It's got a little weight to it, but I'm sure it's just... Gotta love these. Little... Sorry, guys. 25-shot Saturn missile. Love it. A tank. Some... What we got here? M5000 by World Class. Ooh. We got a... Looks like a 100 strip. Cutting edge. So, I mean, it's actually, it's brand name stuff. I mean, it's cutting edge. There's some more cutting edge. Looks like some fountains. What is this? And look, they put stuff underneath. This isn't like just a little tray. Happiness fountains. I mean, I'm happy with it. I think garden and spring. These are some cool little fountains. Well, it's a fountain it's like a fountain cake. Some snaps. A number 3 cone. Nice. This is actually a pretty well put. I mean, I paid like, I don't know, I think I said like $45. Now it's normally like 60, but I mean, I don't know. What we got here? Another little fountain. Twitter glitter. I like that. All right, guys, that's pretty much shows it off. I mean, it's a little bit of a nice assortment. The kids will love it. I'll love it. We all will love it. We'll set it off. We'll have a blast. And that's really what it's all about. Oh, there was some, I think there was some Roman candles underneath there. There is Roman candles underneath there. There's some more rockets down in there. Just fun, awesome, fun stuff. All right, guys. Thanks.